to my channel. My name is Lia. If this is your first time here, I would love you guys subscribed and welcome to the fam. And if you're already subscribed, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have this gorgeous makeup look for summer and spring. I love it. It's so glowy and so bronzy. I don't know, I'm obsessed. I think I'll be rocking these makeup look throughout spring and throughout summer. Like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for new videos. You know what, I am like giving my soul and heart right now. I'm gonna go crazy on videos. So subscribe. Also click the bell button. It will notify you whenever I post a new video. You guys will love them. I am sure you will. Let's like head right into the video. Starting off my makeup look by applying a green correction concealer. The green color, it's going to cancel out any redness, and because I do have some acne, I do have quite some redness, and yeah, I like cancelling that out with the green concealer. I also blend it out with this brush from BH Cosmetics that I will be using a lot throughout this video. It is amazing. It is definitely one of my favorite brushes at the moment. Next, I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm not only just going to highlight like I usually do, but I'm pretty much putting it all over my face to hide the pimples that I earlier mentioned that I do have. And since I'm going to be using just a tiny bit of foundation, that is like mostly the color I'm going to have. Then I'm taking my foundation. This is from L'Oreal, and as I told you, I'm using the least amount possible, just you know, for color mostly, not for like cover. My skin looks so good and so glowy. I love it. And I'm just using like a tiny bit foundation. Then I'm using this cream contour. I love cream products for summer and spring. I filmed this video a while ago, so it was spring when I filmed it. They look so healthy and so beautiful. Then I'm taking a little bit of cream highlighter and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. And look at how glowy and how healthy that looks. I love it so much. I love a good glowy makeup look. Then I'm taking another concealer. No, this is pretty much for highlighting, and I'm going to put it at the areas where I think I need a little bit highlighting. Then I'm just taking a tiny bit of these two powders just to set everything out. Then I'm taking my good old Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. That's like my holy grail eyebrow product. Then I'm taking a cream eyeshadow to pretty much set the concealer that I put on my eyelids. And then I'm taking a transition shade and I'm just putting it all over my eyelid pretty much. so it doesn't look so empty. Then I'm taking a slightly darker color and I'm putting it on my crease to give some dimension to my eyes and some depth. Here is my favorite trick. I take some black eyeshadow or my Anastasia pomade, and using an eyebrow brush I am doing the smallest wing, pretty much, you know, just like line my lash line and just accentuate a small wing. That makes my eyes look so much bigger and it gives you like a natural cat eye and doesn't look like so fake when you use like a liquid eyeliner. It looks pretty natural and amazing. I love it. Then I did put some highlighter on my inner corner and brow bone to highlight my eyes. Then I'm taking some bronzer and blush and give some color back to my face. And then my favorite part, highlighter. You guys know I go crazy on highlighter, especially during summer. And then I'm going to line my lips with this like nude pinky purpley color. And then I'm using my favorite lipstick, which is by Makeup Revolution in the shade Elite. I love it. It's like the perfect nude. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I think it looks stunning, especially for summer. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you all and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Mwah.